the hottest day of the year apparently. So I don't know where we're going. We're just going to go for a little ride. Probably about 10-15 miles, something like that. Bring you back in a minute. Coming into Stoke Bruerne now.
Harlem River, talk to me. Tell me what you think about Harlem River. I'm in love, 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 love. Harlem River, talk to me. Where we headed now? Harlem River, I'm in love, 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 love. All because of you. In my pearl and my diamond shoes, I've climbed a cloud, now I've stole the moon. Harlem River.
So here we are at Toaster Racecourse. Some kind of greyhound thing going on.
Harlem River, swallow me. Put your hands around my neck. In Harlem River, I can't breathe. They've got the lights down now. In Harlem River, give me wings. Put my head up in the clouds. In Harlem River, all because oh, I'm nowhere now. Harlem River, tell me, is it true that in my pearl and my diamond shoes I've climbed a cloud, now I've stole the moon? Harlem River, all because of you.